in my car. The car.
You're so good at this game.
My car dives back home. Boom, boom. Dive.
Is that a park or not?
Mommy,
Yes.
I need to go backwards. I just got out the box.
You can get out in the park. You can do it. Turn to the left. Go back for a bit. Then turn. Just back. There. You're out in the park now. You can turn again. So you would see where you're going. Good job.
Go.